Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be creating a strawberry cherry smoothie with using orange juice. So first we have the orange juice here. About 750 milliliters. And you add the frozen banana, which are here. A little like this. Then you add date. One date has to be a soft date, like this. And next you add the frozen cherries. These are fresh frozen cherries. So got them here. Then you add the strawberries. This is about a handful of strawberries that we can hear. Here it is. You put them here. Like this. Then you add the chiaa seeds. This is 2 tablespoons. You have them here. Then you add the yogurt. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt for this. You put them here. Then insert the blender. Get the mince blend. That's how I get tasty strawberry cherry smoothie. And you add it to the jar. Very tasty, very tangy, and very healthy, beneficial. And if you like this video, you can, oh, and I added chia seeds for more protein, and as you can see, I added some yogurt for texture. It's very tasty, so you should try this. And well, if you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you.